Today we are going to review Prime AI. Prime AI basically AI software where multiple AI tool listed on single platform. You can access 7 AI tool on your daily content case or business purpose. Seven most popular AI tool you can use in a one single dashboard, such as 11 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Amazon, SCS, Loom, and more tool you can use in the Prime AI. So Prime AI unlock all the top tier AI tools from the leading brands without paying monthly fees. Revolutionary world's first AI app let you access sales trending AI apps like 11 Lab, Grok, Midjourney, eBay, Figma, Amazon, SCS, Loom in one powerful platform with the zero monthly fees. So you can purchase one time and access for the lifetime uh, from Prime AI. And the best part is you can start your own AI subscription business, give user access under your own brand, and charge everything you want to keep 100% for the profit. So basically, you can resell as well the software. These AI tools, you can start resell subscription business and offer your audience, or you can sell your audience or any of the customer uh, who want to use the AI tool for their business purpose or content creation journey. So we can offer them and charge them amount on behalf of this AI tool. This platform allow you to resell the AI tool under the Prime AI. So what the feature they are offering? Basically, they are offering multiple AI tool you can use and generate good quality content where you are paying lots of subscription fee for each and individual AI tools. You can pay rather than you can pay one AI tool, one platform, and use multiple AI tools such as 11 Lab, Growth eBay, Figma, and more AI tools. In just three step unlock, create, and profit. Just go and buy and create your account and make profit by selling. By selling the these AI tools. Uh, you can use this kind of the AI tool for your business or content creation purpose journey. One powerful dashboard was several world-class AI apps, zero monthly fees, unlimited possibilities. These are the some of the AI tool you can use in this Prime.ai. You can watch from here demo. This is a 3 minute demo. You can watch and understand how you can use one a Prime AI for the uh, uh, for your content creation journey, or you can make your workload easier with the help of Prime AI. So who can use this tools? Freelancer, content creator, or small business owner, you know, and copywriter, e-commerce people can use this AI tool so that they can make their work easy and more effective and faster. They also offer 30-day money back guarantee. If you don't like, you can just ask them for the refund. They will refund you, and uh, without any asking any question, and just go and check out the of my affiliate link in the description and buy from my affiliate link. This is today's content price is 14.95, and if you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. Uh, and if you don't want to upgrade, you don't upgrade as your choice. And they are risk-free purchase. If you purchase, you can ask for the refund within 30 days. or if you don't like. That's my review for this Prime AI. Prime AI basically help lots of people to